What's going on, guys? So I got a new camera, as you can see, for doing POV drives because the other one was way too heavy, and this one is a GoPro and it's much smaller, and I can actually look right around it. You notice there's a SUPRA right there. So we are actually going to do a cruise with us and a few other SUPRAs and S15, possibly some RX-7s. So it's going to be a good time. I will continue recording later because I don't like running my AC, and this is kind of boring. All right. Got that groove. Got that groove. Woo, he's shooting flames. Making all kinds of noise. Got done making some runs. Now we're chilling at parking garage. Ooh, that might be dirty. Letting the cars cool off, and we're just chilling out. Had some fun racing around. Raced him. I raced him. Didn't race him. Raced him. Didn't race him. And didn't race him. But I got good video of him shooting flames. I got some other races too. It was fun as hell. What's going on, guys? So it's the next day from yesterday's video, obviously, and I was so amped up last night after all that driving around and ripping around with my friends that I slept like a half hour. Like, I didn't go to sleep. Well, I think I ended up falling asleep again at like almost 5 o'clock this morning, and I slept for like an hour after that because the dogs wanted up and wanted to go outside. But that was a great send-off with my car people before we move, and I'm truly blessed for all the friends that I have here and everyone that showed up to just go for a cruise, like just do stuff like we used to back in the day. Granted, it wasn't with these people because I lived a different place, but that's the thing with car people. We all just want to go drive and go screw around on the highway, go have fun, just, you know, nothing too scary or dangerous, just, I don't know, just have some fun. So one thing I did notice, this, I either need to get the electric fans or block these off, because when I'm sitting at, like in traffic or just idling with the AC on, the temp will start to go up. Either that or I need a new clutch for my fan. So, I mean, it doesn't spin very, if I spin it hard, it doesn't exactly keep going. So, but I'm gonna wrap this one up, and hopefully the next one will be, I don't know, I got some things I need to do. All the suspension bushings I want to replace and go with a 6-speed manual transmission. So, I don't know, we'll see. Alright guys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me some comments, and I'll see you guys later.